Federico Bencovich was born 1667, died July 8, 1753. He was a late Baroque painter from Dalmatia working in Italy. He is best known as Federico Benkovic or Federigo or Federighetto or Dalmatino. In modern Croatia he is known as Federico Bencovich. His initial training was likely in Venice, but later Bencovich apprenticed with Carlo Cignani in Bologna, assisting him in 1706 in completing the frescoes of the Assumption of the Virgin on the dome of the Forlì cathedral. His first independent work, Juno on the Clouds, was painted in 1705. He also appears to have worked in the studio of Giuseppe Maria Crespi.